Oh, you guys thought I was done about the dandelions? Nah, we're going to drop one more real quick. Yeah, we're going to have to put the spotlight on one of my favorite plants out here for just a little bit longer. If you don't already know, my name is Herb Gotti. I'm a clinical herbalist and holistic health coach. I go from the forest to the lab, making tinctures and compounds and teas and whatever it takes to make sure that our clients have exactly what they need to combat whatever toxins we're running into. Just living in this ginormous industrial complex of a system that's not really for our health, if you know what I mean. Back to the star of the show, the dandelion. Pow! So we're going to talk real quickly. Features and science. One of the things that we always notice about dandelions is that they always seem to be growing in compacted soil. You can see dandelions growing in between the cracks, between like two pieces or slabs of concrete, thus breaking up compacted soil. In the human body, it's going to do the same thing. It's going to loosen up stagnation, loosen up compaction, especially in the liver. So technically, dandelions are actually talking to you. So whenever you see a dandelion growing in the soil, it's letting you know that that soil does not have enough calcium in its uppermost layers. So the dandelion root actually pulls the calcium, draws it up, and then drops it on top through its aerial parts when it dies off. Absolutely stunning and amazing. I always said nature talks to you. You just got to learn how to listen. Yeah, this one's owned. I can't mess with this. All right, buddy, you beat me. So if dandelions actually draw up calcium, what do you think it's going to do inside the body? Pull up calcium? Yup. Like have a direct effect on calcification in certain organs where stones usually build up, like your feet or your gallbladder, your kidneys. Oh, that's why you always find it in different formulas for kidney stones and gallstones and decalcification, because it's getting rid of the calcium. And if you got a problem with calcification, make sure you look into magnesium, D3, K2. That should help just a little bit to make sure that you don't have entirely too much calcification. Obviously, diet plays a huge part, but man, that's one hell of a rabbit hole. From the root to the flower, man, that dandelion's the truth. Oh my goodness, if you combine that dandelion with a little bit of burdock, some hydrangea, some chunka piedre, whoo! I always found it funny when my doc be asking me for stuff on the side because you don't even want to take the medication. Oh, I almost forgot. This is not medical advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. I already got one flag on my thing and I barely got 6K followers. I'm like, yo, I can't say nothing. I'll probably do a post on that too because I still want to share it, but I know I can't share it. But, you know, some of you guys will pick up what I'm dropping. If you happen to go outside and do your harvesting, just remember if you're out in the forest, you take something, you leave something. I brought my little wooden flute here, so I'm going to play a little bit of music before I take anything with me. And just always remember, this is a give and take world, all right? Peace and good health. Herb Gotti out.